In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PNG file to an SVG using Canva. This method is simple, fast, and can be completed in just a few steps. If you're working with graphics, whether it's for personal projects or professional designs, the ability to convert your PNG files to scalable vector graphics or SVG can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together. We'll start by accessing your design in Canva. Once you've opened your design, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Share button. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down or sidebar menu with various sharing and downloading options. Next, you'll want to find the download option in the menu that appears after clicking Share. Selecting this will open a window that lets you customize how you want your file to be downloaded. You'll notice a section that indicates the current file type that you have selected, which in most cases will show up as PNG by default. Now comes a crucial step in our conversion process. You need to click on the current file type, showing as PNG, to open the file type options. Here you'll see a list of different formats that Canva supports for downloading. You're looking to convert your file to an SVG format, so go ahead and select SVG from this list. It's important to note that this option is available for Canva Pro users, so you'll need to have a Pro account to proceed with this conversion. Once you've selected the SVG format, you're almost done. After confirming that SVG is now selected as your preferred download format, the final step is to hit the download button. This will start the process of converting your file and downloading it to your device as an SVG. And there you have it. Your design is now ready in SVG format, perfect for any project that requires a scalable vector file. SVG files are especially useful for website graphics, animations, and any print materials that require resizing without losing quality. By following these instructions, you've effortlessly transitioned your design from a raster image to a vector graphic. Keep in mind, the flexibility and quality that SVG offers can be very beneficial in your design work. If you're new to Canva or are just starting with vector designs, I hope this guide helps streamline your creative process. Feel free to rewind the video or replay any part you need a refresher on, and happy designing. Thank you for joining me today.